Baby, ready na.
Okay.
Hi guys, going pa ako sa work. And drop lang pa ako ni husband. Say hi.
Hi.
Today is Sunday and closing po ako today. So my work is 1:30 to 10, but I don't want to take my lunch break 30 minutes, so I will be clocking out 9:30. So we'll see you later. I'm home na guys, and I wanna make some dessert. Husband already ate. This is a gourmet soft cookie. It just scoop the ice cream. I love ice cream. So guys, if Sunday I'm always busy and tired, so I prefer to eat some treat. And whipped cream. Good night everyone, and thank you for watching. And I need to finish my dessert while I watch the 90 Day Fiancé. Yummy. I'm going to open a box, a package, and I'll show you what's inside. This is from Macy's. So this is a belt bag. Magagamit ko po ito sa work. What's this? Ah, there's a dust bag, I guess. Yeah, so this is the dust bag. The size of the belt bag is 7.5 and 4.5, 2 inches. So one packet lang siya sa loob. Yan lang ang laman sa box guys. And I'm going to make some sandwich, Italian sandwich, and I have bread. So this is a whole bread. Hati lang kami ni husband. Pepper jack cheese. I have picante provolone, few slices. Some pepperoni. And I want to use turkey instead of pork. Turkey slices. And this one is Genoa salami. So I want to start with Genoa salami and pepperoni. I want to put that in the oven. So I still have leftover. Maybe I will use this the next day. This is the sliced turkey for sandwiches. I'll put this one in the oven like a few minutes just to reheat. So guys, I need to put this back to the oven and maybe a few minutes so the cheese will melt. This is ready. It's hot. So the bread is kind of like soft. Baby, ready na.